When I first heard about Mike the Headless Chicken, I was like, what the f? But do you know that there are actual animals which can survive without a head? And chickens are not one of them. The only reason Mike survived for 18 months after his head was gone was because when the owner cut his head, he missed the crucial jugular vein, leaving one ear and most of the brain stem intact to the body. After the chicken continued to walk, the owner fed him a mixture of milk and water and small amounts of grains for food. So, here are 3 animals that can actually live without a head. A cockroach can survive from several days to weeks without their head. To understand how, we need to understand their blood circulatory system, and I will make it as simple as possible. See, cockroaches have an open circulatory system, which means their blood does not pump under a high pressure from the heart like the human blood. It just sloshes around, making its way into the cockroach's tissues. So when their head is cut off, they have enough time to seal the wound. In addition to a brain, cockroaches have nerve tissues throughout their bodies that control reflexes. So even after the head is gone, these tissues continue to do their job and cockroach can easily move around. Breathing is also not a problem because they breathe through small holes in their bodies called spiracles. The reason cockroaches die a few days or weeks after their head is gone is because of thirst and hunger. Snakes can survive from few minutes to a few hours after their head is gone. It is dangerous to go near them at that point because they can still bite you and inject their venom easily. Snakes do not need much oxygen to fuel the brain, so cutting their head is not just going to kill them immediately like humans, but rather slowly as oxygen runs out. Male praying mantis are one of the most unfortunate animals. As they mate, the female bites off their head. Surprisingly, they still continue to mate and fertilize the female as she bites off the head. That's some real dedication right there.